Now, dear students, after we have launched the footprint editor, the next step is to create your own library. For that, go to File and hit New Library. Choose the location where you want to save this. I want to choose in the footprints folder. So let's name the library as OS series slide switch. OS series slide switch, and hit save. So on the left side you can see that we have created a new library. So let's pin this on the top so that we do not need to even scroll down to search this. So this is our new library. As you can see, in the library there is no footprint. If I click on this arrow, you find no footprints in this library. Like the other library, this is RD module library. If I click on the arrow, you see that there are two footprints. Similarly, if I click on the battery, these are list of the footprints that are present in the battery library. So after you have created the library, the first step is to add footprint. So let's click on this. What I did, I selected this OS series slide switch library, right click on it, and click on the new footprint. So when I clicked on the new footprint, it asks for me to enter footprint name. So let's write OS series slide switch, and let's add the part number of this switch, which is this one. Hit copy and let's paste over here. Now it is asking about the footprint type, either it's SMD or through hole. There are two other types like SMD, through hole, or other. As you can see that our footprint is through hole, so we are going to choose that this footprint is a through hole. So then hit OK. Now you can see on the left side that in the OS series slide switch library you can find a footprint which we have now just added. So you can see over here on our data sheet that these name of the footprint has appeared. So let's just select this all, hit M to move it on a side so that we can draw our footprint over here. So first of all, the thing is, let's see where is our 0 0 coordinate. Our x is 0, y is 0. If you see over here on the bottom side that x value is given and y value is given over here. So as I move my cursor towards this cross section, like over here, you can see this is 0 0 coordinates. These coordinates will help us in designing our footprint. So this is our 0 0 coordinates, and on the top side you can also choose grid, like these are list of all the grids you can choose from over here. And on this top side you can also choose layer on which you want to work. Like I have selected front paste, front copper. On the right side you can see that this little arrow appears with the layer which I have selected. Like if I am going to choose bottom copper, you can see this is the bottom copper is now selected. So let's select is to front copper. So for designing the footprint, the most important thing is you need to know the dimensions of your footprint. So for designing the footprint, I prefer to choose grid which is 0.25, grid size 0.25 mm. The smaller the grid you have, the more finer control you will have on the placement of the pads while designing the footprint. So the next thing is to calculate the dimensions of our footprint. as you can see, it is very important to place pin number 1 on this origin, this one, which is 00. The pin number 1 should be on this origin. So in the next video I will be placing the pads and aligning them